So we are not finished yet. Still got a lot I want to do. Still want to build up the computer area and so forth. A lot of plans. Get our LEDs hooked up on our gaming computer. But this is just an example of what I did so far. Still want to do the rest of the room. It's crazy. Like, this is really turning out really awesome. So I want to clean up so much other stuff, get more stuff done here. Let's go ahead and set the camera down for a second. So I have 3 different apps, and I can change the settings in each one for different colors. So let's do like clouds. So let's go ahead, select each setting, and we're going to select just white pretty much. Alright, where's this at here? That's probably close enough. Yeah, it's gonna be close enough. So, yeah, I can do, oh man, I can do tons and tons of colors and combinations as well. And you guys, I don't know if you can truly understand in person how this looks, but sitting here, like being on the computer with this on, is so amazing. It is just awesome. So over up in here, you guys can see it's kind of darker. This was a different LED kit. It was the first kit I had, and as you can tell, it's not as good as some of the other kits. Like, this one is more bright, but I did go thicker here, so I might thin this out to make it blend better. The black spots are because there's skips in the line, which I wish, you know, I wish I didn't get that LED strip the first time, because it's, you know, kind of off, but oh well, you know, it's not like a huge big deal. So with this, we can go under, and as you guys can see right now, this one, I mean, we could do tons of stuff. Lightning, so, which is what we were doing earlier on another video. We got Starry Sky. I mean, there's just tons. It's never ending. What we can do with this setup. So, yeah.